Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your gal Cecilia O, and I'm actually doing a quick night orange detoxifying drink. So I'm actually doing this detoxifying drink and I'm taking it tonight just to help me to lose weight. So I did a green detoxifying drink in the morning, and now before bedtime, I'm making this orange detoxifying drink, which the major goal of doing this is for me to get rid of my belly fat to lose weight. So for people that want to lose weight, you want to get rid of your belly fat, this is a wonderful orange detoxifying drink, which you can take and can help you to lose belly weight, belly fat weight, and also to lose body weight. So to make this orange detoxifying drink, I'll be using the following ingredients. And before I go into the ingredient detail, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative videos like this, because I upload more educative video that can help us to lose weight, get rid of body fat, boost our immune system, and also keep looking good, radiant, young, and glow from inside out. So for today's this night orange detoxifying drink, I'll be using the following ingredients. I have cilantro here. I'll be using these three types of seeds: flax, chai, and hemp seed. It's very good. I'll be using cantaloupe. And for people that cannot get cantaloupe, you can actually substitute this with pepper. You still get the same nutrients. So I'm using cantaloupe. And I'll be using this probiotic milk as water to blend my ingredients. And I have 3 stalks of green spring onions, which I'll be using. This has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, which is very good for our body. And I'll be using my 2 oranges, and those oranges can actually help us to boost our immunity. And this ingredient that I'm using tonight can actually help us to glow from inside out. So the next thing I'll be doing is to wash this ingredient, cut, and to blend. Please keep following. I really appreciate your time. I don't take that for granted. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can get notification about more educative video when I load one. It's still your gal. I love you all. Appreciate your time. Let's dive in. So now I'm going to go ahead to blend the ingredients for this orange detoxifying drink. So I'll go in the order of softness. I'm adding the cut green spring onions first into my blender. So now I had oranges, and I'm going to add the cilantro. The next thing I'll be adding is the cantaloupe. And keep in mind, you can substitute this with pepper and you still get the same nutrients. I'm adding the cantaloupe and I'm making orange detoxifying drink. And I'm actually taking this at night. You can actually take this for good results. You can take this very early in the morning before you have your breakfast. You can actually use it as your breakfast, or you can take it at night, like 2 to 3 hours after you've taken your dinner. You can take this before you go to bed. And you can also add some apple cider, depending on what you want. You can add apple ciders. So I'm going to blend this. I'll go ahead and blend this, and I'll add the remaining cantaloupe when I'm done. So I'm adding the flax, chai, and hemp seeds. And I'm just going to add later. Oh, sorry, I had bunch. So now I'm adding the probiotic milk. And I'll be adding some ice into this. After I'm done blending, just chilling with this for tonight. Probiotic milk. Keep in mind, this is very good for good gut microbes. They can help us to digest our food and also to help us to improve the health of our gut. So, adding the remaining Cantaloupe, and this is ready. Just go ahead and blend now. So now I'm blending these ingredients. So the orange detoxifying drink, it's ready. And to make this drink, I use oranges, cantaloupe, I use cilantro, green spring onions, I use flax, chai, hemp seed, and I use probiotic milk. And now this is ready.